Welcome back to the training. Select this component, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, and drag your cursor at this side of the graphic area. Select this surface here. Hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, this surface here, and make them coincident. Select this surface and this surface here and make them coincident. Select this component to highlight it. Select the arrow to expand it. Go to Mates, expand the Mates. Select this coincident feature. Select Replace Mate Entities and select the Flip Mate Alignment. Select OK. Select this surface. Hold Ctrl key at the keyboard and select the surface here. Make them coincident. Right. In the next video tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to add this hole here on the upper jaw the sliding jaw and the fixed jaw.